have to turn up one time on these boys. They're not ready. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification button. Standing next to me is a Mercedes Benz G63 equipped with a full Widestar Brabus kit and all the bells and whistles that come along with the Brabus kit. This particular vehicle in this color is the executive edition. So there's 100 satin red cars made for the US. So it's very exclusive and the color is special. So what that does is it allows the Brabus kit and all the exposed carbon fiber and the black accents that we incorporated into the kit to pop even more. So this is a collaborative built with Wires Only and my boy RD. So this particular vehicle is for sale. It's ready to come home to you right now, you know? So if there's serious inquiries, please either DM us at our Platinum group page or the info at platinummotorsport.com. Again, this car has a full Widestar Brabus kit, fender flares, front bumper, Brabus grille, illuminated logo, Brabus hood scoop. We've lowered the suspension, 24-inch wheels and tires, Brabus calipers, and then all the exterior chrome has been removed, done in a high gloss black finish and reassembled back onto the vehicle. It has the carbon fiber front roof spoiler. The color stands out, you know, it's gorgeous. Like I said, 100 of them made for the US. Along with that, it has this $150,000 upgraded Brabus Widestar kit along with all the accessories to it. Some of the other details that I personally love on this build is the rear spare delete. So Brabus offers two different ones. They offer a spare delete, which removes the spare wheel and tire, and you get this carbon fiber exposed Brabus spare delete cover that goes there. It just kind of cleans it up and makes the truck look a little bit more square and aggressive looking. They also offer a version where you can keep the spare wheel and remove the middle cover and put an exposed carbon fiber circle cover for the spare. I personally, like I said, like this particular detail. Like, it makes the truck look unique and different for me, for my liking. Along with that, what we did is all these grills that come on the front bumper, rear bumpers, on the flares, they usually come in a matte finish. So what we did is we painted them in a high gloss black that helps it kind of contrast and pop off a little bit more. Like I said, it's a unique vehicle. It is available for purchase. So if you guys are interested, please hit us up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we got a lot more in store for you guys. As I mentioned earlier, this bad boy has about $150,000 in upgrades due to the Widestar kit by Brabus. So this car is right around $499,000, and as I mentioned earlier, it's available for sale. So it's ready to go to a new home. If you guys are interested, please, again, make sure you guys either DM us at the Platinum Group Instagram, or you guys can send us an email at info@platinummotorsport.com.